Hey everybody, this is Zach. Good to be with you socially on social media. I'm starting something kind of weird. I'm calling it Poetry Lockdown. Hashtag Poetry Lockdown. And in Poetry Lockdown, this was really inspired by my wife was showing me Christina, a wonderful wife. She's a singer. She showed me in Italy when that country's been locked down. People have actually been singing to each other across balconies. It's really been inspiring to see that level of creativity and artwork happening even in these crazy times that we're living in. So I was thinking, wouldn't it be cool if for each day of this crazy coronavirus time, I shared a poem, and I invite you to join hashtag Poetry Lockdown and share a poem yourself, and then just talk about why I love that poem or why you love that poem. So I'm going to start out with, that's backwards. How do I make this forwards? I'm going to start out with a, really I'm technologically challenged. I'm just going to leave it mirror image like this. It's a poem by Yehuda Amichai, a really fantastic poet, who actually, my mentor Deborah Keenan introduced me to. Back like 10 years ago, she made all her Hamlin, creative writing students memorize a poem as part of her class. So I memorized this poem. It's called A Letter of Recommendation. So here we go. First poem, Poetry Lockdown, Letter of Recommendation. A letter of recommendation. On summer nights, I sleep naked in Jerusalem. My bed stands on the brink of a deep valley without rolling down into it. In the daytime, I walk around with the 10 Commandments on my lips, like an old tune someone hums to himself. Oh, touch me, good woman. That's not a scar you feel under my shirt. That's a letter of recommendation, folded up tight from my father. All the same, he's a good boy and full of love. I remember my father waking me for early prayers. He would do it gently, stroking my forehead, not by tearing away the blanket. Since then, I love him even more. And as his reward, may he be wakened gently and with love on the day of resurrection. That's the poem. So one of the things, my goal is to read the poem, and then just to talk a little bit about why I love this poem, because I'm an English teacher and kind of a nerd. So I'm gonna see if I can flip. Oh, well, you can just see me for some reason. I'm just gonna tell you why I love this poem without showing you the words. But so to me, you've got this great twist in the middle of the poem, where the speaker of the poem, Yehuda Amichai's speaker, asks this woman who he loves to touch him, and he says, it's not a scar you feel under my shirt. It's actually a letter of recommendation folded up tight from my father. And I just love the tenderness of that line. But at the same time, it's not really sentimental at all. And the truth is, like, when I first memorized this poem and read this poem, just thinking about a father recommending his son to his beloved, it's kind of weird, but it's also really beautiful. And then when I got to the end of the poem, reading it again last night, I realized something. This speaker of the poem, he says, I remember my father waking me for early prayers. He would do it by gently stroking my forehead, not by tearing away the blanket. And then he says, since then I love him even more. And as his reward, may he be wakened gently with love on the day of the resurrection. What's amazing about this poem is the poet, in addition to having a letter of recommendation from his dad, also is in a sense giving this poem as a letter of recommendation to his father on his father's passing. So it's just like this incredible, full circle, beautiful image. So if you stuck with me through all that nerding out on poetry, thank you. And I invite you to recite your own poem for poem lockdown, hashtag poem lockdown, whatever. This is day 1, so this will get smoother as we continue through this crazy time. Thank you all. Have a good rest of your day.